Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing a very easy and quick tutorial on how to do your eyebrows. As you can see, my eyebrows are not plucked, so I'll be showing how you can achieve a fine eyebrow look without having to pluck your brows. I'm using an angled brow brush from Morphe, but there are alternatives as well. Taking the spoolie, I am going to brush my eyebrow hair upwards, and then taking my Beige Dipbrow pomade in the shade dark brown, I will be making small strokes at the very end. I will gradually build up the color as I go, and when I will see that there's no more excess product on my brush, I will take whatever's that's left on the brush and make small strokes towards the inner portion and then blend everything with the spoolie at the end. If there's any sparse areas left, I will go back in and fill them up and then further blend it out. Then taking my No Colourpop concealer and my foundation of choice and this Morphe concealer brush, I will be carving out my eyebrow. Taking the concealer, I will be cleaning up my eyebrows. I'm using a lighter color because I want to highlight the brow bone area, and this will also act as a base when we will be applying our eyeshadows. When the base is lighter, the colors of the eyeshadows would pop better, and that is why I am using a lighter color, but you can use a shade that is almost close to your skin tone. Then taking the foundation, I will be cleaning up or carving my eyebrows on top so that I can mesh it later on with the foundation that I will be using. Then taking a dense blending brush, I will be blending everything so it is seamless. Taking a skin tone shade, I will be highlighting my brow bone area. To finish everything, I will take this brow gel by Essence and brush it through my eyebrows. And that's it. I hope you liked this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.